Today, we will talk about crypto trading secrets, what you didn't know about maximizing profits. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. With cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin BTC rising exponentially in value, crypto investors will benefit from having a backup plan and thinking about what to do with their cryptocurrency earnings. Wise investors know they should not hold on to cryptocurrencies for too long at the risk of a big correction, wiping out their gains. Therefore, it's always good to have a solid plan about what one will do after a big crypto win. It's tempting to spend money on a car or some other luxury purchase, which might be justifiable to a certain extent. However, it's also important to remember that these assets, cars, luxury bags, clothing, etc., tend to depreciate over time. Instead of spending all your earnings on depreciating assets, consider reinvesting your cryptocurrency earnings in other business and investment opportunities. After scoring a big crypto win, a little bit of foresight and planning will help one take crypto profits and reinvest them to see an even more significant return in the future. Knowing when to enter and leave markets to maximize profits and cut losses is a well-kept trick in the book of successful crypto trading. Given the uncertainty in the market, a trader's decisions can significantly affect how much profit they get or how much they lose. Bitcoin, for example, has gone from as low as $3,967 to as high as $19,901 in just a matter of months. Altcoins follow along as Bitcoin goes higher, allowing investors to see huge returns. However, it's important to know when to take profits. Some traders set themselves up for the loss by being greedy and hoping for another 10x increase. Don't be like them. Have a crypto profit-taking strategy and look for wise reinvestment options for when the bull run ends. As markets go, after a bull run, a bear market will likely follow sooner or later. How do you take profits in crypto and reinvest? So, when should you take profits on crypto? It's tricky to know exactly when is a good time to take profits, as it often involves solid planning and discipline. It's a good problem to have because it means you've made profits. However, it can also be difficult, especially with no clear goal about what to do with the money you made. Taking profits is tricky. You're essentially asking, is this profit enough or do I want more? Categorically, of course, more would always be better. But when it comes to trading, knowing when to halt is part of being smart and avoiding losses. Furthermore, knowing how to invest crypto profits in lucrative channels also requires research and keen decision-making skills. What was my reason for buying this coin? Unlike stocks, which represent something more concrete, a cryptocurrency's value depends on how many people say it's valuable. Stock investors often invest based on a company's valuation or technical analysis. With crypto, it's a little different because it's much like investing in the future of a community that believes a certain cryptocurrency is indeed valuable. Ideally, before buying a coin, one should have a more substantial reason other than just buying into the hype or thrill of it. If, for example, you bought Bitcoin because you believe it's a good long-term investment, then maybe you can stick it out depending on market conditions. You can take profits, for example, if the outlook for an impending bear market does not sit well with you. Maybe you like to invest it somewhere else and re-enter the market at a more favorable time. That's acceptable too. However, if you've realized that you purchased a fancy new coin on a whim because it had a cool name or it was popular at the time, then maybe it's time to rethink your investment strategy. If you don't see any real long-term future or value in it, but have made a significant profit now, you can consider taking your profits and reinvesting it somewhere else. Invest in mining. Putting one's profits from trading to mining is another profitable option if you want to reinvest your crypto earnings. If you're knowledgeable about technology and what it takes to mine Bitcoin efficiently, this is a good option for you. You can diversify your crypto earnings by carrying out both mining and trading, thereby opening up multiple sources of crypto-based income. You can use your earnings from mining as capital to actively trade. In turn, you can also use profits from trading to upgrade mining equipment and pay for related costs. Regardless of the market being slow or stagnant, this strategy allows you to still earn money by offsetting losses from one of the other revenue streams. To pull off this strategy, however, you will need prior experience in trading as well as mining cryptocurrency. Invest in new coins. One strategy that expert traders use is selecting extremely high risk, and therefore also high reward, coins and initial coin offerings, ICOs, to earn significant gains. Some traders use this tactic to keep significant portions of their investment portfolios in principal coins like BTC, Ether, ETH, and Litecoin, LTC. Once they gain significantly and close an investment, they then buy it back at a lower price. After which, a portion of the profit can be used to fund intense speculation, high-risk, high-reward transactions on innovative ICOs and coins. For instance, if you traded 5 BTC and were able to convert it to 8 BTC, you can invest the 3 BTC you gained in a new coin or project that could provide returns as much as 100x. If the project is a success, it will make you an early investor, and you will have gained rewards for early adoption. If not, then you only risked a portion of your crypto and still have your earnings via principal coins. Invest in a rental property. Investing your crypto earnings in rental properties is another lucrative way to earn income from your trading profits. With the right property, you can earn passive income and enjoy the fruits of your labor from crypto trading for a long time. You can even save part of your earnings from your rental property to reinvest back in crypto holdings when the next bull run comes along. If you've never invested in real estate, it might be intimidating at first, but with the right advisors and enough research, it's one of the most stable and profitable investments you can spend your hard-earned crypto earnings on. Buy dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are also a great investment opportunity. You might find that real estate rentals are not for you, or maybe you want to diversify your investments to maximize growth from your crypto earnings. Dividend stocks pay investors from their earnings. Some examples of companies that pay their investors every few months are tech giants Apple and Microsoft. With a properly set up dividend plan, investors can receive income from their stock investments every month. Put your profits away. Lastly, traders also take profits to put away in the form of coins to keep their capital away from the risks associated with daily trading. If, for example, you trade Bitcoin and are able to turn 2 BTC into 2.4 BTC, you can send the 0.4 BTC to a cold storage wallet or an offline wallet. The amount can be held as a long position together with all other earnings you set aside. However, note that you cannot quickly access these coins if you suddenly want to invest them the moment the market begins to enter bull season again. To hedge against this, you can also take short positions when the market is bearish to offset the potential losses that your banked coins might take. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.